Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to create an battery, so which will be like a high watt battery, SW battery. I think as like you guys can experience these batteries while you are doing some other school projects or any other college projects. Okay, so we will use this battery for like a very normal purpose, right? Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let me just select the working directory, desktop. Under this is fine. Okay. So then let's click on new and click the default template and let's rename our part. So I'm just going to rename this as HW battery. Yep. Okay. So then our unit as spot solid ABS. Okay. So here at first I'm just going to start my sketch with the top plane sketch, and let's go for the sketch view. So here at first I'm just going to draw a rectangle. So the rectangle width will be 26.50 and the height will be 17.50. Okay, so now I'm just going to extrude this. Let's go for the extrude. Oops, sorry. Yeah, and this will be symmetric extrude. Let's turn on shading with edges. Okay, so I'm just going to extrude this to a value of 46.40. Okay, okay, that's fine. So here I just want to add some couple of round features before moving into the next upcoming steps. Okay, so let me just add the round features for all these four edges, and anyway, like we have to edit this radius value. Okay, let's keep our radius value as 3. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so then our next thing is, like, I just want to create a extrude cut feature, like a rip feature for the top. Okay, so for that I'm just directly going for the extrude. Let's go for the sketch view. So here at first, if I use the line tool and the arc tool and the circle tool for creating this entire thing, like it will take some time, definitely take some time. So either before that I just used some project tool for using this, like tracing this previous sketch. Okay, can you able to see what I'm doing, right? So we have projected all this. So now I'm just going to create an offset for this loop, and I'm just selecting this line. So this is towards outside, so we have to create this offset for the towards inside. Okay, so we need to put negative values. So offset value of 0.8. Oops, sorry, I forgot to keep this minus, like negative values. Okay, minus 0.8. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, and I just want to extrude this to a very minimum value of 0.50. Okay, it's just like extrude. Okay, it looks good. Okay, so the next thing is like the negative and positive ports for the battery. Okay, so let me just click on the surface for creating that part, and let's go for the sketch view. So here at first I'm just going to draw two concentric circles where the outer circle diameter will be 7, and this will be 6, and this will be 6. Okay, yep, I think this is correct. Yeah, so then I'm just going to add a six-sided hexagon over here. Either we can able to adjust this and make this to be placed on this horizontal center line. Okay, and now we need to adjust the dimension. Okay, so let's keep this as 6 dimension for the circle. I don't want this dimension. I just want this as 3.5 radius. So the diameter will be sun equal to this, right? Okay, so we have to keep an offset for this also. So for this offset loop, okay, for this one. So for this one, I'm just going to keep 0. 7. Yup, but this will be towards outside. Offset loop. Okay, so before that, let me just edit this to 4. Okay, so now let's go for offset loop. Let's select this to minus 0.7. Yup, this looks good, right? Okay, good. So then let's click on OK, and here we need to extrude this for the value of 2.10. Okay, so now the next thing that we have to do is like we have to add some couple of rounds for all these. So rounds, let's enter a standard value of 0.330. Yeah, so I'm just going to give this for all these features, for this one and for this one. Let's click our right mouse click, and then you can able to see that all the lines have been selected. 0.3, that's fine. Okay, so here let me just click on the surface one more time. I just want to create an extrude for the circular face here, like this. Okay, so this will be the diameter value of 2. Okay, okay, and then I just want to extrude this. Either you can go for the extrude up to the selected surface, and you can able to select the surface, or else like this is fine. Okay, and around for this circle 0.3, that's fine. So we have to do the same on the other side. So let's select both of this, and let's go for the mirror, select the center plane, and then let's click on OK. So now this looks really good now. So the next thing that we have to do now is, um, as you can see, that the battery have sorry, like a blue color on the bottom, and a red color layer on this side, and then a white color layer, and then some of the text which will occur on this battery. But I'm just going to do the exact realistic thing which occurs on the battery. Okay, so I'm just going to divide this part as 3 parts, like one like from the center to the bottom, and from the center like somewhat far away from the center, and then like a 3 segments. Okay, I'll show you like how we can do this. First of all, let me just create a new plane by clicking on this plane with a height value of 3. Okay, so then let me just sketch on the new plane that I have created. So for this, I'm just going to project all the outer lines that we have created, including the curves. Okay, close it. Now I just want to take offset of all these lines towards outside, so we can enter a positive value 0.05. Okay, that will be a very minimum value. Okay, and extrude that. Okay, towards downwards. Okay, let's click on this selected surface. Let's select the surface, and okay, okay, and you can see now this has got separated into 2 surfaces, like this one and this is one, right? So now we have to divide this surface as 2, like 1, 2 and 3, right? I think you guys can understood. Now let's select the new plane again. Let's go for the directly, we can go for the extrude, and we can go for the sketch view. So here I'm just going to take a projection of the inner curves, okay, not the outer curves, because for the outer curves that we have extruded that towards downwards. Okay, so we can project the inner curves, and then we can add some offset value for that, and then we can extrude that towards upwards. Okay, I'll show you. So close it, offset loop. Okay, select this line. Anyway, like this will be on the outside direction. We can't able to scroll up or down because we have selected the offset. Okay, so this okay, so this will be 0.07. Okay, close it. Okay, okay, this is good, and extrude up to the value of 2. extrude up to 2, that's fine. Okay, so now we can able to see this is got separated into 3 surfaces like 1, 2 and 3, right? So this is what I want. Good, this looks exactly good. So I have to create a rib which you can able to see on the top. I have to do the same on the bottom also. Either we can use the mirror tool, but uh, yeah, like this may got sync because we have used some other dimensions, right? So let's go for the sketch one more time. Okay, sectional. Okay, anyway, sectional is fine. Okay, I think one more time. Like, let me just select this. Okay, let's try this mirror tool here. If this is works, that's fine. Okay, it looks good. Okay, it works. Okay, so the next thing that we have to add here is the text. Okay, so for the text, I'm directly go for the extrude sketch view. So text, the first word that I am going to add is H and Arial, digital bold. This is what the text. Okay, rotate and resize. Rotate it, make it bigger. Okay, so I don't know why this is not in a straight position here. Okay, I think this has got intersecting at somewhere else. Okay. Okay, okay, let's adjust with this. This is I think 90, right? Yeah, this is straight, so we can directly adjust the height here. Okay, okay, let's keep on here, and let's adjust this value as 7. Okay, and this as 6. Okay, so this looks good, and the dimensions from here till here. Let's keep this to value of 12. I think 12 is fine. 13. Yep, this looks good. Okay. Okay, I don't know whether this looks good or not. Whether we have to make this word bigger. Let's keep this to 7. Okay. Let's keep this as 8. Okay, that's fine. So let's keep this as 0.0. Can't have a value of 0.01. We need to uh, type the value above 0.01. Okay, so we have added the text H, and the next text that we have to add is W. So text here, W, the font as bold. Okay, rotate and resize. So let me just make it bigger. Okay, so here this W need to be synced with this H, so that is what exactly looks like in a real battery that I have seen, right? Um, okay, this is fine. This is fine. Yeah, this looks really good. This is what I want. This is how the exact battery looks like. Okay, okay, and this extrude will be same as 0.02, but if we put the same value, we can't able to add that same color on this. 0.03 is fine. Okay, we can't able to extrude this. Okay, so let's go for the remove material option. 0.02. Okay, anyway, this looks good. Now our text is got created. So the one more text that I have to add is like, so this will be the simple text. This will not take no time. Okay, so text after this. So the text will be high what, like H high W A. Okay, W will be caps T T. Okay, I have to make sure with this text. I don't know. Okay, let's just for the exact text which I have seen. If that is not available, like we can use our own text. Okay. Um, yeah, that is not available in this. Okay, we can use the similar text which has been available here. Okay. Um. Okay. I think we can use this. This looks similar like that. Okay. 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 So let me just keep this text over like this. Okay, we can adjust this value like here 2.5. Okay, dimensions. Like let's keep this as 14 and let's keep this as 7. Okay, this looks really good. Yep. Okay, and extrude. And I'm just going to extrude this as 0.03. Okay, okay. Okay, so one more text, or like let me just enter our channel name. Okay, yep. Okay, I'm not make sure about this font. Okay, font 3D, like this simple font is okay. Okay, let me just keep like this. Okay, that's fine. Let's keep the height value of 3 and this as 10. Oops, this as 5. So we have to adjust this as, sorry, make it as 12, and let's make this as 6, and let's make this as 6. Okay, and one more text on the bottom. Font 3D. First of all, we have to rotate this, minimize this. Okay, so 3. Um, okay, 20. So dimensions 10. Okay, and this will be 5.5. Let's make this as 18. This was 9. Okay, good. Okay, good. Really good. So this text can be highlighted on the black. Um, okay, with the white color also. Okay. So here, let me just make this as 8 and this as 6. Okay, we can end up with this. Okay, and let me just extrude this. Final thing that we have to do is extrude this to 0.04. Okay, okay, that's fine. So the final thing that we have to do is coloring. So for the coloring, let me just hide all these datum planes. So first of all, I'm just going to give the metallic color. Okay, metallic color for this one, this one, this one, this one, for the first face here. Okay, so okay, so then I'm just going to edit this color as a color wheel. Okay, or it will be 1, G will be 74, B will be 168. Okay, so this is the first color. So for the next color, I'm just going to use the same metallic color first of all, and then we can edit the color later. Okay, so then for this color, the same, let's go for the color wheel, like a color code. For this code, 202, 21, 14. Yup, this is good. Good. Okay, so the next thing is the same as for the top color, same as the metallic color. Okay, so for this, I think this is white, but we can have to we have to check whether this has got all the 255, 255. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's close this. And I think we have to edit this glossiness, etc., etc. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So the next coloring is Misk Fabricated black color for the top and for the bottom, and for this text. Okay. 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 That's fine. And then pure white for this face text. Okay. And then the same blue color for this, for the external intent surface. Okay. Okay, it will select all these faces. Yeah, I know, I know. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one, and finally this one. Okay, and then on the bottom, either we can give any color, but I'm just going to use the same white color on this. And now we can click the intent surface, and let's click the internal surface here. Okay, but like I said before, if we select the intent surface, it should have selected the entire part. Okay. Mm, yep. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we have done this. So the next thing that we have to create is like, wait a minute, guys. I think we can see that our text text is not looking good. Okay, I think this font is really good. It will take some time to regenerate. Yep. Okay. So then I'm just going to give the same pure metallic color for the top intent surfaces, like for this one, all these. Okay, not for this. Okay, so then for this, for the internal parts, okay, I think I have covered up everything. Okay, yep. So the next coloring is like I have to give this for the coloring for the text, this H and W. So for the H, like it's simple, we have to give the blue color, and for the W, like we have to give the slate color. So this will be like overlapping feature, right? This looks really good, right? Okay, and I just want to edit this text also like we need to check what this is. Okay, individually sketched. Okay, like we can't able to edit the spacing right now. Okay, I think we can edit instead of that. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so now if we go for shading with reflections, you can see like this looks really good, right? Mm, yep. Let's keep this white color for time, and let's have a few. Okay, instead of this metallic color, this white looks really good when compared to this metallic color. Okay. Yep. 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 Okay. For the stop and intent surface of this. Okay. Okay. So that's all, guys. So thanks for watching this video. And if you want more videos related to mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below so that I will upload more and more videos based on them. Okay. So thank you guys. Like we will see the next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.